to save Amon's life. Unfortunately, Ishmael betrays his part of the deal by shooting Ammon and putting the crown on himself. As Adam tries to save Ammon, he loses control again and destroys the hideout with his power, until the JSA protects Ammon and Adriana as Ishmael dies in the process. Guilt-ridden, Adam flees to the ruins again. There, he reveals to Hawkman that it was actually Harut, his son, who was Kandak's champion. Knowing that Harut was invincible, the king's men executed Harut's family instead, killing Isis and mortally wounding Adam in the process. Harut gave his power to Adam to save him, but Ankot's archer managed to kill the now powerless Harut. Enraged, Adam slaughtered all of the king's men, before he was summoned by the wizards of Shazam, who imprisoned him after deeming him unworthy. Feeling incapable of becoming Kandak's champion and protecting it, Adam then surrenders to the JSA, who take him to Waller's underwater prison. Soon after, Fate continues to see the ominous premonition. It is later revealed that Ishmael intentionally made Adam kill him so that he can be reborn as Sabbac, which he succeeds in doing so, and arises from the underworld to Kahndaq to claim his throne. The JSA arrive in time trying to stop Sabbac, who summons the undead to Kahndaq. Adriana and Ammon fight them, with Kareem joining them. Ammon asks for the people of Kahndaq to fight together against the undead for Kahndaq's freedom. The JSA prepare to face Sabbac in Ankot's ruins. However, Fate creates a magical force field which forbids Hawkman, Cyclone and Atom Smasher from coming into the ruins, and reveals that Hawkman's death can be avoided, with Fate's sacrifice. Fate then fights Sabbac alone, and at the same time uses astral projection to release Adam from his suspended animation so Adam can help them. Adam manages to escape the prison, but Sabbac kills Fate. Fate's death causes the force field to disappear, allowing Hawkman, Cyclone and Atom Smasher try to fight Sabbac, who overpowers them. Just as he is about to kill the JSA, Adam arrives, and engages Sabbac, but is slowly losing as Sabbac's power can harm him. Hawkman uses Fate's helmet to create magical duplicates and spells, having learned from Fate, to help Adam kill Sabbac, ultimately stopping the undead. The JSA depart on good terms with Adam, who accepts his new role as protector of Kahndaq rather than its ruler. In a mid-credits scene, Waller communicates with a defiant Adam, warning him about forces ready to stop him, before he is confronted by Superman. So, stay with us and we will bring in another movie review soon. Until then, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to come up the notifications. Bye.